Hi everyone, this is Hannah with Dana Girls Designs, and I wanted to show you this kit that I have put together. I'm gearing this more toward a card making kit. I'm using Prima's paper collection Moonchild. It's a collection that came out last year, and it's really pretty. It's I guess kind of more celestial, but then it also has like floral prints, butterflies. It's really pretty. So I wanted to go through the paper first in case you haven't already seen it. Let me kind of zoom this out a little bit. Okay. And let's see. Oh, and then this is the back of it. Isn't that so pretty? And then here's the other page. I really like this one. It has that silver foil. And then here's the back of that one. Alright, and then here's the next page here. And this one's good, I think, for like journaling cards. I love that silver foil. Really pretty. Let's see, here's the next set here. I like this page. It's really pretty too. And let's see, and here's the other page. I love this one with the butterflies. It's so nice. I like it. So pretty. And then the back of that is this. It just has a bunch of moons on it. Like the different phases of the moon. And then here's the last sheet. This one's gorgeous. Now this one's just matte. There's no foil on this one, but it's so beautiful with all the floral. But then on the back of it, it does have the full accent. So you'll get one of each of those sheets, 6 total. You'll also get a pack of the Moonchild flowers. These are so pretty. It has like the little glitter on, almost like, looks like a little frontage on it. And then some glitter as well. And then you'll also get, this is part of the card making kit. This is a Spellbinders die. It's the Stamp and Die Good Vibes Only, and then has a flower. So you stamp it and then you cut it out. And you can use any of your die cutting machine. I have the Big Shot machine, and then there's different ones that you can use to cut. And then you'll also get the ephemera pack. It shows on the back what ephemera pieces you'll get. And then you'll also get one of each of the journaling cards. So we'll go through these. Well, I thought I had it already open. I guess not. I had the paper pad open, but not this. Alright, let's see. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we'll go through here. And then here's the back. I like that. You know, they correspond or coordinate with the paper really well, and all the back is the same. It says, take a walk on the wild side. Alright. And then this one here. And then this one here. And then this one here. Let's see if I can. There we go. See the wording better on it. And this one says shine. And then this one says all we have is us. You know, these would be real good, you know, for scrapbooking, junk journaling, any of your mixed media projects as well. I've just kind of, I guess, geared this one more toward the card making, since I had that die and stamp set. But of course, you can use that with your scrapbooking as well. Okay. And then also, I handmade or hand dyed these. This is like a, it's kind of like a pink color. It's a little bit darker than what's showing up on the screen here. It's a little bit darker. And then here's a purple color. It's kind of like a light violet color. And then you'll get a Tim Holtz ink seedless preserves. I do have some other colors too that I may have to mix and match with the kits. And if I do need to do that, I'll put that picture in the listing so you can know the other colors that will be randomly picked with the kit, unless you tell me a certain color you want, and I'll try to get that one in there. You'll also get 10 sheets of cardstock that's perforated, not perforated, but it's already folded in the middle. And this makes, I think it's a 4x6 card. Let me measure it here. Let's see. Let me see. 6, 5 by. It's actually like a 5 by 5.5 card. So it makes 5 of those. You could cut them down to a smaller size if you wanted to. So you'll get 10 of those. And then you'll also get a thing of glitter. With each kit, I'll just kind of randomly pick one that will match with the kit. This is like a purple. This is more of your, what I would say, a red violet. This is like a kind of a pinkish color. This is like a fuchsia, and this one's red. And so each kit may get a different one unless you select a certain color you want. Then also I'll put together a sequin mix that'll have these little stars in it, and that will have some of these other sequins in it. You know, I don't think I'll put the green in there. I mean, there's a little bit of green in the paper. I don't know if I'll really put the green in there or not. I might, but I'll probably mostly put the gold, the silver, any pinks and purples, whites in there, along with the stars. And so that is that kit. Excuse me. And I am fixing to record another kit, but I think I'd probably better do that in a separate video, just so it can be easier to link in with the other, with the listings when I have them on eBay and Etsy. So I will be putting a link to the listings in the video whenever I get this uploaded. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. You can comment below, or you can email me directly, and I'll have my contact information in the description below. And hopefully this will inspire you. It's a beautiful paper collection, lots of fun colors and imagery on here. So hopefully it will inspire you. If you already have some of this paper collection, you know, it'll just kind of give you some ideas. You know, you make cards with it, albums, junk journals, you know, layouts, just all kinds of things. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.